I started thinking about trying a new recipe at home today.
I can imagine the kitchen filling with fresh aromas from your cooking experiment.
Cooking at home always feels comforting to me.
The warmth of homemade food brings a special kind of happiness.
I often look for simple dishes that taste delicious.
I usually focus on meals that need only a few ingredients but still feel complete.
I enjoy preparing vegetables in different ways.
I think vegetables become exciting when mixed with herbs and spices.
I recently tried roasting potatoes with garlic.
That combination creates a strong and wonderful flavor.
My next attempt might be a creamy pasta.
The texture of creamy pasta creates such a satisfying bite.
I love the sound of sizzling onions in a pan.
That sound always signals the beginning of something tasty.
Sometimes I follow cooking videos for new ideas.
Those videos often introduce creative techniques and shortcuts.
I like cooking slowly when I'm alone at home.
A slow pace allows every flavor to blend more deeply.
I add coriander to many dishes.
Coriander adds freshness and brightness to food.
I often think about trying international recipes.
Foreign cuisines bring new experiences through unfamiliar flavors.
I recently explored Italian dishes.
Italian meals usually shine because of their rich sauces.
I also enjoy making homemade soups.
Soups feel comforting, especially during a quiet evening.
I tried a tomato soup last week.
Tomato soup becomes amazing when mixed with cream and basil.
I want to improve my chopping skills.
Proper chopping helps dishes look neat and cook evenly.
I admire chefs who chop quickly and precisely.
Their speed looks like a form of art in the kitchen.
I sometimes struggle with balancing spices.
Spice balance develops over time and becomes easier with practice.
I keep experimenting with different spice blends.
Those experiments often lead to surprising combinations.
I love adding lemon juice at the end of cooking.
A touch of lemon brightens the entire dish instantly.
I enjoy baking on weekends.
The smell of freshly baked bread makes mornings perfect.
I tried baking cookies recently.
Warm cookies always bring a feeling of comfort.
I want to learn how to make soft rotis.
Soft rotis require perfect dough and careful cooking.
I find kneading dough therapeutic.
The rhythm of kneading creates a calming effect.
I like making omelets with vegetables.
Vegetable omelets turn ordinary mornings into delightful ones.
I enjoy making biryani at home.
Homemade biryani carries a blend of aroma and tradition.
I learned to layer rice and gravy properly.
That layering technique gives biryani its signature texture.
I enjoy preparing salads with fresh ingredients.
Fresh salads taste vibrant and energizing.
I love adding nuts to my salads.
Nuts add crunch and richness without much effort.
I want to try making grilled chicken soon.
Grilled chicken tastes amazing with smoky seasoning.
I enjoy marinating meat overnight.
Long marination allows flavors to sink in deeply.
I love the sound of grilling food.
That sound hints at juicy bites coming soon.
I often watch cooking shows for inspiration.
Those shows always spark new ideas for my meals.
I want to get better at making sauces.
A well-made sauce can transform a simple dish.
I enjoy making yogurt-based sauces.
Yogurt sauces add coolness and balance bold flavors.
I like adding garlic to almost everything.
Garlic brings warmth and depth to any dish.
I sometimes try to recreate restaurant meals.
Homemade versions often feel healthier and more personal.
I love cooking for family gatherings.
Sharing food creates beautiful memories.
I think food becomes more special when shared.
Sharing a meal builds stronger connections.
I enjoy using fresh herbs from the market.
Fresh herbs always enhance the aroma of food.
I want to grow herbs at home someday.
Homegrown herbs bring freshness straight from the garden.
I like making smoothies in the morning.
Smoothies provide energy and taste delightful.
I mix different fruits to keep it interesting.
Fruit blends bring natural sweetness without sugar.
I enjoy seasoning dishes with pepper.
Fresh pepper adds a pleasant kick.
I often struggle with overcooking rice.
Cooking rice becomes perfect with the right water ratio.
I started measuring water carefully.
Accurate measurement saves the dish from mistakes.
I love frying fish with spices.
Spicy fried fish becomes irresistible with crispy edges.
I tried a lemon herb fish recipe recently.
Lemon herb fish tastes refreshing and light.
I enjoy making tea after cooking.
A warm cup of tea feels like a reward.
I think tea completes the cooking experience.
Its aroma brings peace after all the work.
I like experimenting with homemade snacks.
Snacks make evenings more enjoyable.
I once made spicy chickpeas for a movie night.
Spicy chickpeas add excitement to simple moments.
I enjoy adding butter to my dishes.
Butter gives food richness and smooth texture.
I recently tasted garlic butter rice.
Garlic butter rice tastes heavenly with grilled items.
I want to master making pancakes.
Perfect pancakes need fluffy batter and even cooking.
I once topped pancakes with honey and fruit.
That combination produced a naturally sweet delight.
I love the idea of cooking together with friends.
Cooking together creates laughter and bonding.
I enjoy preparing homemade sandwiches.
Sandwiches offer a simple yet satisfying option.
I add cucumbers and tomatoes to mine.
Those vegetables add freshness and crunch.
I enjoy making spicy noodles at home.
Spicy noodles bring excitement to quick meals.
I sometimes mix vegetables into the noodles.
Vegetables make noodles more colorful and healthy.
I love preparing lentils for dinner.
Lentils offer comfort and nourishment.
I sometimes add ghee for extra richness.
A spoon of ghee adds depth and aroma.
I find stir-frying vegetables enjoyable.
Stir-frying keeps vegetables crisp and flavorful.
I often toss them with soy sauce and ginger.
That mix creates a delightful fusion taste.
I enjoy boiling pasta until it becomes tender.
Perfect pasta texture makes the dish more enjoyable.
I add cheese to my pasta dishes.
Cheese adds a creamy and indulgent layer.
I love the idea of family cooking traditions.
Traditions keep recipes alive across generations.
I want to pass my favorite recipes to others.
Sharing recipes keeps the spirit of cooking strong.
I enjoy preparing homemade sauces for snacks.
Homemade sauces add personality to simple food.
I once made a spicy tomato dip.
That dip paired beautifully with roasted snacks.
I like using fresh ginger in many dishes.
Ginger creates warmth and adds a bold punch.
I enjoy frying onions until golden.
Golden onions bring sweetness and complexity.
I love adding fresh cream to certain dishes.
Fresh cream gives the dish a velvety finish.
I enjoy using nonstick pans.
Non-stick pans make cooking smooth and easy.